This is the pirate ship that I made Andrew out of paper, and it is a replica of the Disneyland's Pirates of the Caribbean, The Wicked Winch. Everything on this is made out of paper, printed off the computer. I made the only thing that's not printed off was the chain for the anchor that was made out of string. This is the starboard side. And there's the pirate flag with a lantern on it. This took a lot of time, patience, and work. I never thought I'd get it done, but it's done. Now let's turn it. We'll get the front view of it. There's some burn holes in the sails. Those are also made out of paper. And this is the other side. And here's another anchor in the bow of the ship. And there's a little place for where they stand. And then if you go inside the ship, we have the little doors for the under compartment, the storage, and then we also have a little bell. And then up here we have a wheel. And we have some cannons and some steps. That was the hardest part, was the steps and the railings. Then you go over here and we have a table with a lantern and a map on it. And then we also have some more railings and steps. And then up here we have the wheel, captain's wheel. It's nice. Let's see if we can get in there. And there's the flag again. So this is the finished boat ship. I am very proud of this. I worked very hard on it for Andrew. And that's it. That's my ship.